C'est une femme. La femme a un sac. Le sac est bleu. Le sac est sur la table. L'homme a un livre. Le livre est rouge. L'homme lit le livre. C'est une femme means this is a woman. C'est means this or it. It is the short form of ce, meaning this or it. Est means is. It comes from the verb être, meaning to be. Une means a or one. It is a feminine singular article. Here it means a. Femme means woman. C'est is made of ce plus est. Because est begins with a vowel sound, ce becomes se. So, ce plus est becomes c'est. Literally, c'est une femme means this or it is a woman. In English, we naturally say, this is a woman. We use une because femme is a feminine noun in French. French nouns have a grammatical gender. Some nouns are masculine and some nouns are feminine. Because femme is feminine, we say une femme. Femme normally means woman, but it can also mean wife, depending on the context. For example, when someone talks about sa femme, it can mean his wife. But in this sentence, c'est une femme, femme means woman. The word femme is also used in some English expressions borrowed from French, such as femme fatale. It is also related to English words such as female and feminine. In this sentence, femme simply means woman. La femme a un sac means the woman has a bag. La means the. It is the feminine singular article. Femme means woman. It is the same woman from sentence 1. A means has. It comes from the verb avoir, meaning to have. Un means a. It is the masculine singular article. Sac means bag. La femme means the woman. In the first sentence, we said une femme, meaning a woman. We were introducing the woman for the first time. Now we know which woman we are talking about, so we say la femme, meaning the woman. We use la because femme is a feminine noun. The sentence structure is simple. La femme means the woman. A means has. Un sac means a bag. So, la femme a un sac means the woman has a bag. Important note about a. French a means has here. It is a form of the verb avoir, meaning to have. Do not confuse French a with the English article a. French also has the word a with an accent. A can mean to or at, but here there is no accent. A means has. We say un sac because sac is a masculine noun in French. The bag is not male. It simply has a masculine grammatical gender. Sac can mean bag or sac, depending on the context. The French word sac is connected to the English word sac. The words look similar and have related meanings. In this sentence, sac means bag. Le sac est bleu means the bag is blue. Le means the. It is the masculine singular article. Sac means bag. It is the bag from sentence 2. Est means is. It comes from the verb être, meaning to be. Bleu means blue. It is a color adjective. Le sac means the bag. In the previous sentence, we said un sac, meaning a bag. The bag was introduced for the first time. Now we know which bag we are talking about, so we say le sac, meaning the bag. We use le because sac is masculine in French. The sentence structure is le sac means the bag. Est means is. Bleu means blue. So, le sac est bleu means the bag is blue. Bleu is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a person, an object, or a place. Here, bleu describes the bag. It tells us the color of the bag. In French, adjectives usually agree with the grammatical gender and number of the noun they describe. Here, sac is masculine and singular, so we use the masculine singular form bleu. The French word bleu is closely connected to the English word blue. They look similar, sound similar, and have the same meaning. In this sentence, bleu means blue, the color of the bag. Le sac est sur la table means the bag is on the table. Le means the. It is the masculine singular article. Sac means bag. It is the blue bag from the previous sentence. Est means is. It comes from the verb être, meaning to be. Sur means on. La means the. It is the feminine singular article. Table means table. The sentence structure is le sac means the bag. Est means is. Sur la table means on the table. So, le sac est sur la table means the bag is on the table. Sur is a preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between different things. Here, sur tells us the position of the bag. The bag is on the table. Sur can have several translations in English. Depending on the context, it can mean on, over, or about. But in this sentence, le sac est sur la table, sur means on. Do not confuse sur with sur, which has an accent. Sur without an accent can mean on. Sur with an accent means sure or certain. Here there is no accent. Sur means on. La table means the table. We use la because table is a feminine noun in French. The French word table is exactly the same as the English word table. It has the same spelling and, in this sentence, the same meaning. The word table can have other meanings in both languages. For example, it can refer to information organized in rows and columns. But in this sentence, table means the piece of furniture. The bag is on the table. L'homme a un livre means the man has a book. Le means the. It is the short form of le, used before a vowel sound. Homme means man. A means has. It comes from the verb avoir, meaning to have. Un means a. It is the masculine singular article. Livre means book. L'homme means the man. Normally, the before a masculine singular noun is le, but homme begins with a silent H. Because the H is silent, French treats homme as though it begins with a vowel sound. So, le homme becomes l'homme. The sentence structure is l'homme means the man. A means has. Un livre means a book. So, l'homme a un livre means the man has a book. Again, French a means has. There is no accent. It comes from the verb avoir, meaning to have. We say un livre because livre is a masculine noun in French. Livre can have more than one meaning in French. As a masculine noun, un livre means a book. As a feminine noun, une livre can refer to a pound, particularly a unit of weight or currency in certain contexts. The article helps us understand the meaning. Here we have un livre. Therefore, livre means book. The French word livre is connected to old Latin roots that are also found in English words such as library. A library is a place containing books. In this sentence, livre means book. Le livre est rouge means the book is red. Le means the. It is the masculine singular article. Livre means book. It is the book from the previous sentence. Est means is. It comes from the verb être, meaning to be. Rouge means red. It is a color adjective. Le livre means the book. In the previous sentence, we said un livre, meaning a book. We were introducing the book for the first time. Now we know which book we are talking about, so we say le livre, meaning the book. We use le because livre is masculine in French. The sentence structure is le livre means the book. Est means is. Rouge means red. So, le livre est rouge means the book is red. Rouge is an adjective. It describes the book and tells us its color. In French, an adjective agrees with the noun it describes. Here, livre is masculine and singular. Rouge has the same written form for masculine and feminine singular nouns, so it remains rouge. The word rouge also exists in English. In English, rouge can refer to a red cosmetic color used on the cheeks or lips. In French, rouge is the normal word for the color red. In this sentence, rouge means red, the color of a book. L'homme lit le livre means the man reads the book. Le means the. It is the short form of le before a vowel sound. Homme means man. It is the man from the story. Lit means reads. It comes from the verb lire, meaning to read. Le means the. It is the masculine singular article. Livre means book. It is the red book. The sentence structure is l'homme means the man, lit means reads, le livre means the book. So, l'homme lit le livre means the man reads the book. The verb lit comes from lire, meaning to read. Il lit means he reads. L'homme lit means the man reads. In English, the verb changes from read to reads when the subject is he, she, or one person. In French, the verb also changes according to the subject. Here, the subject is l'homme, so we use lit. Lit can also be a noun in French. Un lit means a bed. The spelling is the same, but the meaning and pronunciation are different. As a noun, lit means bed. As a form of a verb lire, lit means reads. But in this sentence, l'homme lit le livre, Lit is placed after the subject, l'homme, and before the object, le livre. Therefore, it is a verb. It means reads. Context and sentence structure tell us the correct meaning. Listen one more time with the English translation. C'est une femme. La femme a un sac. Le sac est bleu. Le sac est sur la table. L'homme a un livre. Le livre est rouge. L'homme lit le livre. Now listen one more time with the French captions. C'est une femme. La femme a un sac. Le sac est bleu. Le sac est sur la table. L'homme a un livre. Le livre est rouge. L'homme lit le livre. Finally, listen one last time with no translation or captions. C'est une femme. La femme a un sac. Le sac est bleu. Le sac est sur la table. L'homme a un livre. Le livre est rouge. L'homme lit le livre. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and I will catch you in the next one.